In this video, we are going to look on how to create Kling AI account. First, open up the Kling AI website. Click on Sign In. Click on Sign In with email. Click on Sign up for free. Enter your email address, create a password, and confirm the password. Then click on Next. Complete the verification process. You will get a verification code on your email address. Just copy and paste the code here and click on Sign In. Choose your occupation from here and click on Submit. You have now successfully created your Kling AI account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.